Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 20th, 2018. I'm out in Pond 5 right now with the ducks. And this is a brief update on the pond patching system that we've been doing here for Pond 5. Previously I've talked about how well the cardboard and paper systems have worked in using leaf mulch and a little bit of wood chips in the past. And just recently I posted a video showing patching using paper products, cardboard, to patch this spot right up here. And I'll be doing quite a bit more of this as time goes on, because water sovereignty is such an important issue for us. So the other day, yesterday morning, I harvested, the day before yesterday, I harvested kale. And because we haven't been on top of harvesting it and all, there's a lot of leaves that had little spots on it or was a little bit tougher and all. So those end up either going into the compost pile or various areas. And so what I decided to do was take the kale leaves that we didn't want to store and put them down here in the pond for some glee, taking organic material, breaking down. And that was the area where I've shown in the past where the gravel's still exposed. So trying to do what we can with plant material. And I'll be harvesting weeds and other garden produce as well that'll be coming down here instead of going to the compost pile. I love composting, it's a big part of my life, but right now I want to do what we can here to help seal up this pond. So right back here, there's a little bit of video that I'm going to post here, some GoPro footage. I set the camera up over here on the opposite side of this pond. And what I did was I took we got another load of wood chips in, and I had it dropped over here with the high tunnels going. And we took those wood chips. Well, first I went ahead and took what cardboard material and paper products we had. I laid them out here. Then I decided, what the heck, I'm going to take some of the paper products, very little cardboard, but these are those phone books and journals and you know, those things that you get from the places that you really don't want, places that you order from, and you get all these catalogs and all, as well as everything from toilet paper rolls, the inserts that go in the center of them. Any paper product that we have on site, what I do is I do a slow soil building system, and I'll put a link in the upper right hand corner here to a video showing that. And there's Hank in the background eating some of the paper products as well. And I've been doing that for several years, and I decided yesterday, since I want to move up the priority of sealing this pond, I decided to go down there with Bumblebee and Optimus Prime, the mini excavator and the front end loader, and I loaded up what was left. So amazingly, most of the material had broken down, but the material that I put there since, let's say, last fall until now, a lot of that was nicely soaked because we just recently had a rainfall. And so I pushed it into I used Bumblebee to scrape up the paper products that are there, push them into the excavator, to the front end loader, brought them over here, dumped them as well. And then I went ahead and used the mini excavator to pack down, try to remove as much airspace as possible. And that's real easy when the cardboard and paper products are all nice and wet. And then took the wood chips and covered them up. So that's what's going to follow in the rest of this video. I just wanted to try and make sure that I document the processes. I've been doing this for several years. It's really sealed up the base of this pond very well. I attribute most of it to the paper products, but I'm going to be trying wood chips. I've always put up the wood chips up along the margin where the plants, where the Rose of Sharon are planted up there, and some of those ornamental grasses. Weeds have grown up amongst them. I've recently laid those down on the sides and want to cover those with more wood chips when I get them. Trying to get as much organic material to try and seal up this pond as much as possible. So that's it for today's update. Now, I just wanted to share this video. I'm hoping you're doing pretty well. If you found this video of value, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And if you'd like to be notified when we post more videos, hit that bell icon. And by all means, folks, have a super fantastic day. Bye-bye now.